How she was doing this, she couldn't shake the feeling that there was someone that was standing behind her. She kept glancing over her shoulder to see if maybe there was someone there. But every time she would turn around and look, the kitchen was empty. That unsettling sensation, it kept growing stronger and stronger. She couldn't shake the feeling at all. Frustrated and ready to give up, Angela was about to leave the fridge, and she figured maybe she could just clean it later, when all of a sudden behind her was a very explosive sound. There was pots and pans and knives and forks. They were clattering violently on the floor. She spun around, and to her terror, she found that every cabinet and every door had been flung open, and their contents was scattered across the kitchen floor. Absolutely panicking, Angela sprinted up to her bedroom. She screamed and hid in the corner.